Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Buse. Today we are going to prepare a Havuç Tarator. This is a traditional Turkish dish. Typically enjoy it alongside other Turkish dishes, such as meat and chicken. I use 3 carrots for this recipe. I peel and grate them. Then I cut 3 cloves of garlic into small pieces. Next, take 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add the finely chopped garlic to the pan and fry it until it smells. Next, let's take the grated carrot into the pan. Let the carrots fry for about 5 or 6 minutes until they lose their vitality. Let's take the carrots that have been roasted enough from the stove and let them cool. In a suitable bowl, whisk the 5 tablespoons yogurt and 1 teaspoon of salt. If you want, you can add 2 or 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise into the yogurt sauce. Pour the creamy yogurt over the cooled carrots and mix well. Let's take our Havuç Tarator on the serving plate. We can serve cool after we decorate it with the materials we want, such as red pepper and walnut. Enjoy your meal! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.